getting 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is actually easy. Yes, personally, I got 1,000 subscribers in 14 days. But you know what? My guest for today, Ata Smart Tutorial, actually got 1,000 subscribers in just 5 days. Yes, that sounds crazy, right? So, in this video, together, we are going to share our secret strategies that actually helped us to get 1,000 subscribers in 14 days and in 5 days. All right, guys. So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prince. Please do what to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Yes. So first of all, I'm going to share with you my secret strategies that helped me to get 1,000 subscribers in 14 days. Okay. After that, Aka Smart will also take over and share with you his secret strategies that helped him get 1,000 subscribers in just 5 days. You understand? That is absolutely crazy. Okay. And by the way, if you don't know Ata Smart Tutorial, he is also a YouTube growth expert who has actually grown his YouTube channel massively within a short period. Okay. So you can check the description of this video for his channel or the comment section of this video for his channel and tell him that you are coming from Prince Isiame's channel. Now let's get started. If you check my YouTube studio, if I change my date to 21st October to 3rd November 2024, you realize that I was able to get 1,000 subscribers within a space of 14 days, right? Yes. And I want to tell you that anyone on YouTube here can do it, okay? Yes, it is not like anyone on YouTube can do it, okay? And that is exactly what I'm going to teach you in this video. Now, I'm going to share 4 secret tips with you, okay? And the last 2 is by far my greatest secrets on YouTube, right? Because I don't normally share those 2 last tips, right? But I'm going to share with you in this video because I really like you guys. So now let's get started. The first thing you want to do is that you need to start creating solution-based content. Yes, start creating solution-based content. Now, solution-based content are content that actually solves people problem. And most of these videos are how-to videos, okay? How to do this, how to do this, okay? Now, when I checked my analytics, the time I got 1,000 subscribers reported, I realized that one of my videos that was a solution-based video was doing very well. You understand? Most of my videos at that time were how to get this, how to get that, how to get this. Okay. So when viewers actually watch the video and they feel satisfied with the video, there is no way they are not going to subscribe to your channel. You understand? I know we all have different natures, right? Yes, but in our different natures, there is a way we can incorporate, solution-based videos into our videos, okay? So try to make videos that will solve people's problem, okay? And once you're able to solve people's problem, there is no way they are not going to subscribe to your channel. And that is one thing that actually helped me on this particular channel to gain 1,000 subscribers in just 14 days. So now to the second one, if you want to get your 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. After that, I'll share the last 2 with you, which are my biggest secrets on YouTube. Yes, in fact, I don't share those 2 tips mostly, right? So I'm going to share them with you in this video. Now let's look at the second one. So the second thing is that you need to start doing posting challenge. Yes, you need to go on 7 days challenge. You need to go on 14 days challenge. You need to go on 30 days challenge, depending on what you can do. Okay. Now, this thing is proving to work a lot, okay? Now, the period when I was able to get my 1,000 subscribers in 14 days, I was actually posting consistently within that period. You understand? I was posting consistently within that period. Yes, and that is one thing that was able to, help me, get my 1,000 subscribers within 14 days. You understand? And you know what? Let's say you post once a week and you get 20 subscribers, right? It means if you post twice a week, you're going to get 40 subscribers. You understand? If you post 3 times a week, you're going to get 60 subscribers. If you post 4 times a week, you're going to get 80 subscribers. You understand? If you post 7 times a week, 7 times 20, you're going to get 140 subscribers. Do you understand? So, and we all know that on YouTube, the subscriber counts we get per every video is not the same, right? Yes, there are some days that your video will go viral and you're going to get a lot of subscribers. You understand? The other days, the subscribers less. Okay. And one thing about posting challenges that you mostly get viral videos. Okay. Yes. In fact, it has worked for me, right? And that worked for a lot of people. Okay. And it is possible that it will also work for you. Okay. So You should start doing posting challenge, 7 days challenge, 30 days challenge, 40 days challenge. And I believe it's going to help you get a lot of views. And then the views will generate the subscribers for you. Now to the third one, which is one of my biggest secrets on YouTube. Yes. And let me share with you after that. I will also share the last one with you. It is the greatest of all. And that is the third thing you need to do if you want to get to 1,000 subscribers so fast on YouTube is that you need to start creating relatable content. Yes. Now, this thing actually works 100% on YouTube. Okay. So all you have to do is that you need to go to YouTube, watch videos and look at videos that are doing very well in your niche. Okay. Now, once you find a video that is doing very well in your niche, it means that people are actually interested in those kind of videos. Okay. So what you're going to do is that you're going to craft your own video around that particular topic or that video idea. And then you're going to make yours relatable. Okay, now what I mean by relatability is that you should be able to fit into the shoes of the viewer. Okay. Yes, once you fit into the shoes of the viewer, it means that you understand what the viewer wants. You know what the viewer thinks. Okay. So the viewer is, somehow automatically going to fall in love with your content. You understand? And trust me, so far as you are able to give them what they want, there is no way they are not going to subscribe to your channel. Okay. They're going to subscribe to your channel because they feel, more relatable. You understand? Yes. They feel that, okay, you actually know what they are going through. You actually know their problem. Okay. This now, for instance, if you're in the educational niche, one thing about relatability is that, sharing your personal experiences with your viewers. Okay. Yes, that is one of the best way you can be relatable with your viewers. So for instance, on this channel, when I'm teaching you how to grow a YouTube channel, I share my personal experiences with you, okay? And that is rank, and that is actually helped me to get lots of subscribers on. But lots of people have asked me, how do I get lots of subscribers on? These are some of the tricks I've used. I share my personal story with you, okay? So after listening to my personal story, you are going to subscribe to my channel because this is something that you are also going through. And once you're able to do this, trust me, it's really going to help you. And now to the final one, which is the greatest of all time. In fact, this one, I don't normally share it on YouTube yet, but I'm going to share it with you, okay? And that is you need to start replying to comments within seconds, okay? Now, I'm not talking about minutes, seconds, okay? Immediately you get a comment on YouTube, make sure that you reply it within 1 second, not even 2 seconds, 1 second. Now, the reason this one actually works is that and you are able to reply comments so fast, it makes the viewer feel so important. It makes the viewer feel that you actually know what you are doing. You're actually on YouTube for a purpose. You understand? And trust me, that particular viewer, even if they don't have the intentions of subscribing to your channel, trust me, they are going to subscribe. I've got multiple results from this. Okay. Now, sometimes I even get comments that, friends, I like the rate at which you reply your comments. Okay, you reply your comments so fast, okay? And because of that, I am subscribing to your channel. You understand? So this is one of my biggest secrets that has actually helped me since I started this particular YouTube channel. So if you're one of those people who do not like replying comments, please you need to advise yourself and not just replying comments. You need to reply the comments very, very fast. Okay. If you reply the comment fast, it means the viewer feels so important, and trust me, they are going to subscribe to your channel. Now, let's take a look at what Akash Mats also did that actually helped him to get 1,000 subscribers in 5 days. And I believe it's really going to help you.
All right, thank you very much, Prince Esiama. And you see, getting your 1,000 subscribers within 5 working days isn't something so difficult. Although we've been able to get it over here on our channels, and so you can also do that. But there are some of the things that you need not to engage yourself in, and there are some other things that you should also be embracing. And so, in this particular episode and in this section, I'll also be adding about 3 major and 3 important things to do over there on your channel so that you get your 1,000 subscribers within 5 working days. The first one I'm going to talk about is about consistency. please be more consistent over there on your channel. You know what? This consistency I'm talking about are into two folds. Now, the first one I'm talking about over here is to be consistent with your day. That is the day you upload your video. You see, you should try as much as possible to let your subscribers, to let your audience get to find out and know that today or tomorrow or that particular day, you're going to upload a video so that they can be available to be watching your videos as soon as you publish your video. Therefore, getting a lot of engagement on your video to attract the YouTube algorithm to be recommending your video to a lot of people. There are some of you, you don't have a schedule. So you just publish anytime at all, anytime that pleases you. But it shouldn't be a pleasing time to you. It should only be pleasing your audience because you're on YouTube to please your audience. That is it. Your upload day and that of your upload time. Within the day, which actual time do you upload? Are your audiences aware of that? Do they know that you publish around 8 p.m.? Are they aware that you publish around 12 noon? Let them be aware. Let them be waiting for you. Do not be surprising them with the times and all that. You see, one strategic thing over here is that whenever you publish your video, YouTube actually bases on the actions and inactions of your subscribers, those who have actually subscribed to your channel. After publishing your video to either detect or determine whether it's going to recommend your video to the outer world or the audience or not. And so if you publish your video and you want to outsmart your audience without getting them informed of the time and the day, they will not be engaging on your video for the few hours afterwards, and that's actually going to affect you. And so be able to be consistent on that. Let your viewers, let your subscribers be able to know and find out, okay, on Mondays, Ata Smart will be uploading the video. On, let's say, Tuesdays, Prince the CM will be uploading the video so that they can always be watching out for your video. That is the first one you should consider. The next thing I'm talking about over here is to make good use of YouTube Shorts. The YouTube Short, one of the best things YouTube actually incorporated in their system. You see, the YouTube Short is technically one tool that is having or helping a lot of YouTubers to get a lot of subscribers. Oh yes, and so if you're someone who have not been leveraging on the YouTube Short, I will encourage you to start from today. Make sure you upload a short. You can upload a short of about 60 seconds, 30 seconds, 15 seconds every single day. And you know one secret thing, YouTube strategically pushes YouTube short videos more than the long form videos, therefore helping you to get a lot of subscribers over there on your channel. That is it, and that's actually going to help you a lot. The next one I'm adding is to call to action. That is the call to action. That is the CTA. Make sure you strengthen your call to action in your videos. What do I mean by that? The call to action in the videos is simply talking about whatever thing that we tell our subscribers to do. Subscribe, like, comment, do this and that. You see, there are a number of times you yourself, you watch some people's video, you watch the video from start to the end. The video is so interesting, you love the video, you actually cherish the video, but you finish watching without even subscribing to that particular channel. Oh yes, it has been happening to almost everyone. You know what? Maybe in that particular video, the person didn't actually concentrate on the call to action. The person didn't get time to tell you to subscribe, to remind you, to draw your attention to that. And so don't assume that so far as your content is valuable, your subscribers will automatically do subscribe. No, sometimes it does happen, but not always. Just as you can watch a video, but you will forget to subscribe to that particular valuable video, the same thing is actually going to happen to your video. And so whenever you're making a video, please do well to get time for that. Invite your subscribers to subscribe. I mean, those who have not subscribed, your viewers, your audience, your new audience, to subscribe to your video. Just tell them in the video. But hey, the caution here is that do not be telling them from the start of the video. No, it is going to actually piss them off. It's actually going to discourage them from watching your video. So give them the valuable thing in the video. And as you keep on going, maybe in the middle of the video, or let's say at the end of the video, there, after giving them the valuable tip, you can call them to actually subscribe to your channel. Therefore, reminding them, drawing their attention to the subscription button over there. That's very important. And one strategic thing on YouTube is that as soon as you mention subscribe, that your YouTube subscribe button over there, down there, will actually be having some sort of colors over there. If you've actually seen that before or observed that before, let me hear the comment section over here. Oh, yeah, that is how it works. So please be able to actually use that. There are some of you too who use video formats with a green screens. Click here to subscribe with that particular one. Yes, you can have some text on the screen. You can have some videos rolling text on the screen to actually draw their attention to subscribe and all that with that bell and ringing. You see, that's also another mind-blowing way, and it's actually going to help you a lot. So that is it. And I'm sure these, what I've actually been able to tell you together with what Prince SCM has also told you, if you're able to practice them, it's actually going to help you to get your 1,000 subscribers within 5 working days, as I was able to get 1,000 subscribers. Yes, within 5 working days on my channel. And it has helped a lot. And that is exactly the reason, always 24/7, I keep on giving you valuable tips and secret and hacks for you to be able to grow your YouTube channel. Thank you very much. And I'm sure you've gotten value from this particular video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button on this particular channel, and don't also forget to share the particular video. Let's come together to support ourselves.
If you are looking to get your 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, I want you to watch this video on my screen where I explain to details how I was able to get 1,000 watch hours within a space of just 5 days. And it's really going to help you get your 4,000 watch hours. Thanks for watching. My name is Prince once again, and then see you another time.